In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Zoho CRM. Whether you're using forms to capture leads, manage cases, or organize contacts. Getting the hang of Zoho's Web Form Builder is your first step towards better customer relationship management. Now, let's dive into the process of setting up your own custom form, ensuring it fits perfectly into your CRM strategy. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your dashboard where you'll find the Setup icon, which looks like a little gear. Click on that. Now, under the Channels section, click on Web Forms. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a list of modules appear, such as leads, contacts, cases, and even custom modules. Choose the module that best fits the kind of data you intend to collect. Once you've made your choice, click on New Form to start building your form. Moving on, you'll find yourself in the Drag and Drop Builder, an intuitive interface designed to make your form creation as seamless as possible. Here, you have the discretion to drag in fields from a selection of default options or include your custom fields. Rearrange them to suit your needs. This flexibility is key to tailoring the form exactly to your requirements. Don't forget, you have the option to mark certain fields as mandatory, which ensures that crucial information is collected. Conversely, if there are fields you don't need, you can simply choose to hide them. Additionally, you can enhance your form's functionality by adding features like file uploads or CAPTCHA, and even enrich the user experience with hint text. Utilize the toolbar to refine your form's design, choosing fonts, colors, and layout styles that complement your brand's aesthetic. Once you've crafted a form that you're happy with, it's time to define how it behaves once it's in use. Scroll to the Options or Settings area within the builder. This is where you can set a return URL or create a thank you message that your users will encounter upon submission. Next, decide how you want to handle record assignments. You can assign records directly to specific users or employ assignment rules. It's also wise to set up notifications, such as email alerts, which will inform you when a form has been filled out and submitted. After all these steps, you'll want to preview your form to ensure everything looks and functions as intended. The preview option lets you do just that, offering you a chance to make any last-minute tweaks. Once satisfied, hit Save. Now, it's time to share your form by embedding it on your website. Simply copy the embed code provided and choose from HTML, embed, or iframe formats based on your site's requirements. And there you have it, a fully functional form ready to integrate into your Zoho CRM workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and happy form building.